Hi, I'm Nicola. I run Sous Chef with my husband Nick. Back in 2011, I left my corporate job and worked as a chef in a Michelin-starred kitchen in London. At first, I spent hours peeling asparagus, grating parmesan, having to dice aubergine just so. But after a while, I learned how to seam butcher meat. I was taught how to stir the truffle risottos, dress the salads, make a mirror glaze, make incredible ice creams. And whilst I was working there, I realized the difference ingredients can make. So rather than spending time searching how to make the perfect vinaigrette recipe, I just used lemon vinegar, an incredible olive oil, a little pinch of salt, and that suddenly made the salad extraordinary. But the challenge, they just weren't available to someone like me as a home cook. And so that's what I set out to change for myself and anyone else I thought who might have the same issue. And so Sous Chef was born. I started out reading hundreds of cookbooks, looking at what ingredients recipe writers were suggesting we use, meeting artisanal producers to build an initial range of around 400 ingredients. My small team and I have spent the last 12 years tracing some of the world's best ingredients, whether it's the ingredients that forms the backbone of a cuisine from around the world, or it's that product that's made by an artisanal producer with hundreds of years of heritage in a particular part of Puglia in Italy, who's thinking only about the flavour and not about how they're going to market that product and not about the final cost, but really about what that flavour brings to their community and also to their dishes. Only 1 in every 10 ingredients makes it. We're rigorous on tasting and testing and using all of the products that we sell to make sure that every single customer who finds us has the best experience. And that's how we've earned so many 5-star customer reviews. We treat every single order like it's our first. But ingredients aren't enough. In Tokyo, we found the ramen bowls that are used in ramen bars that just take you back to that holiday. In Mexico, the hand-painted Majolica pottery. In Italy, the splatter tableware that's splashed with paint from olive branches that really is evocative of the regions that you might travel to or that you might want to cook from. We've had chefs recommend their favorite pans. We choose knives from some of the world's top restaurants, some of the kit from the world's top restaurants, to make sure that every single customer has the opportunity to make their cooking the very best it can be. Meanwhile, sustainability is key. It's not just about one order, it's about the next 100 years of orders. And so with every single order that you make, we give back to charities around the world that fit with the United Nations sustainability goals, whether that's solving challenges of equality, access to food, access to water. We make sure that with every order, you have a positive impact around the world. So whether you're an old friend or this is the first order that you place, I'm excited to follow your journey. We love to hear from you. We love to hear stories from our customers about how we've helped transform their cooking and also what they've brought to the ingredients and managed to create. We hope that you'll find something truly extraordinary. There's no algorithm. There's no clever technology behind the product range. It's just things that we love as a team of chefs and cooks that we think you will love too. Happy cooking. Hello. No, there we go. Anyway, Mike is a core part of the business and the team. The shoe isn't.